Hello friends, welcome to the Decode channel. So friends, today I will talk about Mood Threads MTT S30. So friend, this GPU feature hardware accelerated decoding of AV1 besides H.265 and H.264, which should cover all the bases of uses streaming content consumption GPU and the card features on HDMI 2.0 port that support 4K Ultra HD up to 60Hz and the D-sub connected tops out at 1920 by 1200, and most window-based media applications use Direct 3D or DXVA codepaths for accelerated video decode, and so the GPU has some form DirectX API support, although we still don't know which version is that. And it also supports OpenGL, which should come in handy with certain Adobe applications that use real context to draw their workspace. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, it's retail price of just USD $55. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.